I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. Room unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Hello and welcome back to our lesson today. Today is part 2 of 4.6D two-dimensional figures. Alright, so we're going to be taking down some notes so that way you can get everything you need for this lesson, okay? So let's go ahead and write down some vocabulary, okay? So first off we have this two-dimensional figure, okay? And that's a figure that has only length and width, okay? So length and width, but not height, okay? Length and width, but not height, okay? And that could be anything as simple as just a square, it could be a rectangle, a triangle, oops, okay, right? So those are all two-dimensional figures. Next we have is parallel lines, okay? Parallel lines that never intersect and are always at the same distance apart. Parallel lines that are the same distance apart and they never intersect, okay? They're never gonna cross. So you can always go like this. Make sure you're writing all this down, okay? Very important. Next we have is perpendicular lines, and these are lines that intersect and form 90 degrees, okay? 90 degrees. Okay, and they form the right angles right here. Right here, right here, right here, and right here. Okay? But remember, you're not always going to get the square, okay? Next we have is a polygon. Okay? A polygon is a flat, closed shape with only straight lines. Okay? A polygon is a closed shape with only straight lines, okay? So all are polygons, okay? All are polygons. Some of them are going to be non-polygons because, for an example, like a circle, okay? So let's go ahead and draw that. So we have here a rhombus, okay? It's closed. It's a 2D shape and it has straight lines. Good. But if we take a look at an oval or a circle, oh, perfect circle. Excellent. This is a non-polygon because it doesn't have straight lines. It has curvy lines. Okay. So those are your two examples. Give me 1 second. Excellent. So now that we know what a polygon and non-polygon look like and is, let's go ahead and look at some different types of polygons, okay? So here we have a quadrilateral, which is a closed two-dimensional polygon with exactly 4 sides. So there's 5 different types of quadrilaterals, and we're gonna get started with them right now, okay? So basically you can put a square in here, a rectangle, that's a square, right? That's a square, I think. You can put this one. We're gonna learn all the names of them. Okay. And then there's another one. There's this one, this one, this one, this one. There we go. Perfect. Okay, what else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is all of them. Perfect. Okay. So let's go to one of the quadrilaterals. One of the quadrilaterals is called a parallelogram, which is 2 pairs of parallel sides, opposite side. Oh, sorry, let me slow down. Okay, so a parallelogram is a quadrilateral, right? It has 2 pairs of parallel sides and opposite sides are the same length, okay? So what does a parallelogram look like? Well, it's this one. Okay. And we have two pairs of parallel lines here and here, here and here, okay? And opposite sides are the same length. The yellows are the same length and these are the same length. To show you parallel lines, okay, we're gonna show with arrows, okay? That's how we show you parallel lines. So these single arrows are parallel to each other and these double arrows are parallel to each other. That's very important because you're gonna see that a lot on exams, questions, or anything, okay? So that's super important. So whenever you see tick marks, that's congruent. Whenever you see arrows, that means that those lines are parallel to each other, okay? Perfect. Next we have is a rhombus, okay? A rhombus. And it looks like this. Okay, a rhombus is part of a quadrilateral and a parallelogram, okay? So all sides are equal lengths and has two pairs of parallel lines. Let me show you which ones they are. Now that you know about the arrows, I'm gonna show you. Parallel, 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 and parallel. They are never going to intersect, okay, and they're always going to be that far apart from each other. Okay. Next we have is a trapezoid. Okay. So it has a short length here, side, long, and side. Perfect. Ooh. Perfect, thank you. Okay, so a trapezoid is part of the quadrilateral because it has four sides, exactly four sides, and it has only one pair parallel sides. Okay, here and here. The sides, okay, going this way, at one point they will intersect, so that's why they're not parallel lines. Okay. Next we have is a rectangle, which we've all seen. Oh, not that color. This color. Oh. Which we've all seen, okay? Like that. Okay, so a rectangle is part of the quadrilateral and parallelogram. Okay, because it has two parallel lines, two sets of parallel lines. Oh, it's supposed to be blue. Whatever. Oh, there it goes. Two pairs of parallel lines, and it has two sides that are equal lengths and then four right angles, okay? So let's go ahead and look at the parallel lines. Here and here. This one. And this one. Okay, it has two sides that are equal lengths. So these two are equal lengths and these two are equal lengths. And then four right angles. So here, 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 and here. Okay, and that's a rectangle. Next up is a square. Okay. And a square is part of almost everything. It's part of a quadrilateral, parallelogram, rectangle, and rhombus. So it's really special, okay? And it has everything. It has two sets of parallel lines. Okay. Here, 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 and here. Okay. And it has four congruent sides and it has four right angles. Here, here, and here. Okay. I was trying to make the squares. But those are the common quadrilaterals. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at your exit ticket for today. So which figure can never have two pairs of parallel sides? A. Trapezoid, B. Rhombus, C. Rectangle, or D. Quadrilateral? Which figure can never have two pairs of parallel lines? Okay, so remember they're the ones that don't touch each other. Okay. Well, that is it for today. I hope you learned a lot about polygons, okay, and the different types of polygons. And remember, we don't say the S word anymore, okay? Not in 4th grade. So, that is it for today. I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you next time for our next lesson. Bye!